In this problem, we will have two types of queries like the previous problem. There will be union queries and get queries. In union query, we will unite two sets that contain elements u and v respectively. And in the get query, we will be given an element v and we will have to produce three types of answers. Consider the set that contains element v. We need to tell what is the minimal element of this set, what is the maximum element of this set, and what is the total number of elements in this set. Let's come to the solution. We will keep three containers which will keep the current minimal, maximal, and total number of elements of the set that contain a particular element. For example, min v will store the value of current minimal element of the set that is containing element v currently. Max v and sum v will also work similarly. While executing the union query, we will update all these three containers if the element u and element v don't have the same parents. In the other words, if they are not in the same set. These update functions are very simple to implement. You may have a look and get the idea. Now in the get query, we will simply print our previously calculated answers for a particular element. You will find my solution code in the description box as well as the problem link. If you have any question, then ask in the comment section. I will try to answer.